This is how we check kiddies, newborn especially, newborn soap, shower gel, and this is a simple test using a pH strip. So I'll just dip this into the soap. I don't need it to overpower the strip. And then we want to leave this for some minutes and watch the reaction. So we are able to compare and know where the pH of the soap is and be sure that it's suitable for a newborn or any child using it. Okay, so reaction has taken place, and I'll just wipe the soap off a bit so that we are able to match it on the pH chart. And it's very close to between 7 and 8, closer to 8. And it's so good to know this because this is where the pH level of the skin of a newborn and toddlers comes around. At birth we are about 8.8 thereabout, but as we age it drops to around 5.5, 6, depending on skin type and all that. So it's very important that you use a product that is suitable for your baby's skin, that matches the pH level of your baby's skin, so as to prevent any form of skin reactions or the hormonal changes that will happen as a child grows. And that's why we put this together, made with black soap, African black soap, tender herbs, and natural oils that will ensure that your baby's delicate skin is well taken care of, brings out their glow and radiance. Natural ingredients, even oats, milk and other things. Right, so this is something that you want to be very, very sure about. Otherwise, as a mother, you could just become anxious in few weeks of your baby's arrival because of skin issues. So it's good that you make wise choices, like choosing So Healthy Tender Fresh Baby Shower Gel. And the beauty of what we do is that we support you all the way from before pregnancy through when baby comes and beyond. Isn't that lovely?